हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 7th इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक हनी कॉम्ब का लेसन 6th। इसका नाम है एक्सपर्ट डिटेक्टिव्स। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको 5th पोएम ट्रीज करवाई थी। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले पाठ की समरी करेंगे। The story starts from the point when siblings Maya and Nishad returned to the clinic. Before that, Nishad had met Mr. Nath to get his marble back. Nishad told Maya that Mr. Nath didn't look like a crook. He also added that he looked thin and wondered if he didn't have money to buy food. Maya rejected this possibility because she thought Mr. Nath stashed a lot of money in his room. Nishad was still doubtful because he felt like Mr. Nath didn't look like a crook. Maya was certain that Mr. Nath was a criminal and told Nishad that he was not starving because he had Ramesh to bring the food for him from the restaurant. But then Nishad said that Mr. Mehta had told them before that Mr. Nath didn't work anywhere, so it was impossible for him to arrange food for himself. Maya exclaimed that that was the exact point she was trying to prove. She said that the reason why Mr. Nath was able to buy food was because he had hidden lots of money either in his room or in her trunk. However, Nishad found this theory rubbish, but Maya stayed adamant. She then asked Nishad if he had seen the scars on Mr. Nath's face. It was too dark for her to see them. She added that Mr. Nath must have got the scars during a shootout with the police. Nishad restored that their mother had clearly told him that those scars were burnt marks. Maya suggested that the police might have put Mr. Nath's house on fire to force him into surrendering. Nishad, however, still looked unconvinced. The next Monday, Seven went to the clinic with his mother while Maya was spending time with her schoolmate. When they returned back home, Nishad told his sister that he had met Mr. Nath again and his sister felt mad for not being there with him. Seven had knocked at his door and had given Mr. Nath a chocolate bar. Apparently, he had felt bad for Mr. Nath's thin and weak appearance and was sure that he was suffering from starvation. When he told his sister this, she asked if he had a chance to peek at the trunk in his room. Nishad was disappointed. He told his sister that he hasn't even got visited inside his room, so unfortunately he could get a chance to peek at the trunk. But then Seven had questioned Ramesh properly. Seven, looking pleased, told Maya everything he had learned. Ramesh told him that he took 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and other one in the afternoon. Mr. Nath, according to Ramesh, was not picky. He would have 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable, and it was the sum every day. Mr. Nath also paid cash and tipped generous. Seven then added that Ramesh had told him something very strange. Almost every Sunday, Ramesh took 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, one for Mr. Nath himself and for the visitor, who was tall, fair, stout, and spectacled in appearance. Ramesh told said that the visitor was very talkative, unlike Mr. Nath, who was mostly silent. Maya congratulated Nishad and said that they would have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives in order to capture the crook. Nishad signed that said that he couldn't believe that his sister was calling such an ordinary looking person a crook. Maya called him a smarty, saying that crooks could like quite ordinary as well. However, Nishad was still doubtful. Next Monday, even though it was supposed to be a school day, the rainy weather, thunder, and flood started made it an unexpected holiday. Maya had decided to make that day useful by collecting all the facts and writing them on a paper. After she was finishing, she asked Nishad to listen to what she had written. Nishad agreed and she began with the first fact, which was that their suspects alias was Mr. Nath and they needed to find his real name. Seven felt like Mr. Nath was the suspect's real name, but Maya explained that most crooks have a fake name, so did their suspect. The second fact was that the tenants at the Shankar house said that their suspect was mad, strange, and unfriendly. The third one was that he don't talk to anyone and was mannerless. Seven didn't agree with this one because he did talk to Seven and their mother said that he was quite polite. However, Maya told him that he talked to us only because he had to, and also that since he was under their mother's treatment, he had to be polite. The fourth fact was that he didn't receive any letter. The fifth one was that he had been living in a room of Shankar house for more than a year. The sixth one was that he didn't work and sat in his room all day. Fact number seven was that the kid and the grown up living in the Shankar house were afraid of him. The eighth one was that he had no visitors except the tall, fair, stout, spectacled man who used to visit him almost every Sunday. Number 9 was that he didn't go down to the restaurant to eat the food, and also he didn't care about what he ate, paid the bill immediately, and tipped well. Her list had ended, but then she saw that her brother wasn't paying attention to her at all and keep on calling Mr. Nath a poor and lonely man. Maya got angry and almost shouted at him. She asked how a crook could possibly have friends and not be lonely. Nishad again paid no attention to her and said that it was fortunate that the least there was all tall, fair, spectacled man who was his visitor. After listening to this, a brilliant thought occurred in Maya's mind. She thought that the visitor was an accomplice of their suspect for sure. She thought that maybe the compile kept all the loot and gave it to Mr. Nath when he would visit him. Nishad grew angry and told Maya that if she would keep on insisting that Mr. Nath was a criminal, then he would never discuss anything with her. He added that he couldn't be such a bad man if he gave Ramesh such generous tips. Maya then got another brilliant idea. She told Nishad that it must be because Ramesh knew something about Mr. Nath which could reveal his truth, and so he was bribing him. Nishad glared at his sister with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. Maya was beginning to get fed up with him. She asked how they could keep up with their investigation if he continued with such an attitude. He answered that he would cooperate only if she would give up the idea of Mr. Nath being a crook. He added that she made him really mad. His sister restored, saying that it was him who made her mad. She asked him what the point of doing all the inquiries was when the never felt that he was an escaped crook. Her brother answered that he wanted to know why he was thin and lonely. Maya tried to make him understand by telling him that if he had lived at the Shankar house from a year, and hadn't made a single friend. Something was obviously wrong. Maybe he was afraid that someone would recognize him and give him to the cops. Nishad added the possibility that maybe no one tried to be friends with him. Maya asked why anyone would bother Mr. Nath. Was a nasty bear. Even Nishad had seen that. However, he was stubborn. He said that he didn't care and would like to be his friends as he liked him. Maya laughed at his idea. She said that he would be in jail with Mr. Nath when he would get caught by the cops. She then asked if he would like that. Nishad paid no heed to her. Clearly, Maya's theory had made no impression on her brother. अब हम करेंगे इसके टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट डिड निषाद गिव मिस्टर नाथ एंड वाई? इसका आंसर है निषाद गेव अ बार ऑफ चॉकलेट टू मिस्टर नाथ. He did so because of the lean appearance of Mr. Nath, which suggested that he was starving. Question 2, what is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? इसका आंसर है The strange thing about Mr. Nath's Sunday is that there was a particular visitor who used to visit every Sunday and both of them used to have a lunch together. Question 3, why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? इसका आंसर है निषाद एंड माया गॉट अ हॉलीडे बिकॉज ऑफ अ बैड वेदर. इट वॉज रेनिंग heavily and the streets of the city were flooded with the downpour. Question 1, what does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange the information as suggested below. What he eats, when he eats, what he drinks and when, how he play. इसका आंसर है Nishad find out the following about Mr. Nath from Ramesh. He is not very particular about what he eats. He eats 2 chapatis, dal and vegetable. He eats in the morning and evening. He drinks 2 cup of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. He pays in cash and also give tip to Ramesh. Question 2, why does Maya think Mr. Nath is a crook? Why does she say the Sunday visitor is? इसका आंसर है Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a crook because he doesn't have any friend even after spending more than a year at their place. Also, he doesn't talk to anyone and does not have any visitors at any time except the visitor who meets him on Sundays. She says that the Sunday visitor is his partner in crime and visits him on Sundays to give him a share of money. Question 3. Does Nishad agree with Maya about Mr. Nath? How does he feel about him? इसका आंसर है no. Nishad does not agree with Maya about Mr. Nath. He thinks that Mr. Nath is a lonely and poor person who is starving. He thinks that Mr. Nath is a kind of person who, despite having less money for himself, gives tips to Ramesh. अब नीचे मैंने आपको ये बाकी की एक्सरसाइज दिखाई हुई है. आप अगर ये करना चाहते हैं तो ये कर सकते हैं. अब हम करेंगे इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. द एक्सपर्ट डिटेक्टिव्स वर ऑप्शन ए निषाद एंड मिस्टर नाथ, ऑप्शन बी निषाद एंड सेवन, ऑप्शन सी माया एंड रमेश, ऑप्शन डी माया एंड निषाद. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी माया एंड निषाद. क्वेश्चन 2. निषाद एंड माया गॉट एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड हॉलीडे फ्रॉम स्कूल ड्यू टू ऑप्शन ए द बांध, ऑप्शन बी हैवी रेन्स, ऑप्शन सी द परादे, ऑप्शन डी फाउंडर्स ऑर्डर्स. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी हैवी रेन्स. क्वेश्चन 3. निषाद फाउंड आउट्स अबाउट मिस्टर नाथ, ऑप्शन ए फ्रॉम हिज मदर, ऑप्शन बी फ्रॉम हिज फादर, ऑप्शन सी फ्रॉम रमेश, ऑप्शन डी फ्रॉम द विजिटर. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी फ्रॉम रमेश. क्वेश्चन 4. The problem between the two children could be resolved only by option A Ramesh, option B the doctor, option C their mother, option D their teacher. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी their mother. Question 5. Nishad's impression about Mr. Nath was that he was option A a monster, option B a patient, option C a crook, option D very poor. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी वेरी पुअर. क्वेश्चन 6. द मदर हैड टोल्ड द चिल्ड्रन अबाउट द स्कार्स ऑन द फेस ऑफ मिस्टर नाथ. दे वर ऑप्शन ए चिकन पॉक्स मार्क्स, ऑप्शन बी बर्थ मार्क्स, ऑप्शन सी बर्न स्कार्स, ऑप्शन डी एक्सीडेंट मार्क्स. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी बर्न स्कार्स. क्वेश्चन 7. मामा's clinic was located at option A गुड़गांव, ऑप्शन बी बिरमनगाम, ऑप्शन सी गिरगांव, ऑप्शन डी हैदराबाद. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी गिरगांव. क्वेश्चन 8. अ बार ऑफ चॉकलेट वॉज गिवन टू ऑप्शन ए निषाद, ऑप्शन बी सेवन, ऑप्शन सी मिस्टर नाथ, ऑप्शन डी रंजेश. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी मिस्टर नाथ. Question 9. Nishad was disappointed when he met Mr. Nath because he, option A, had scars on his feet, option B, did not return his marble, option C, didn't ask Nishad to come in, option D, was a patient. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी didn't ask Nishad to come in. Question 10. Maya wrote the facts on a piece of paper because option A, it was her habit to do so, option B, she thought it was the way of the detectives, option C, her mother had asked her to do so, option D, she had met a detective and seen him working, option. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B, she thought it was the way of detectives. Question 11. The first impression of Mr. Nath on 7 was that he dash, option A weak, option B monster, option C crook, option D all of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन D all of these. Question 12. Who brings food for Mr. Nath? Option A Mr. Mehta, option B Ramesh, option C Maya, option D Nishad. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B रमेश. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको 6th पोएम मिस्ट्री ऑफ द टॉकिंग फैन करवाऊंगी. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Thank you.